Hello, welcome to Learners Hangout, and today we'll be talking about how to unlock Android phones and also how to bypass Google factory reset protection on Android phones. So today I have the Technocamon CG6. As you can see, the phone is locked. So today I'll be walking us through how to unlock Android phones and bypassing Google factory reset protection in details. This article will not only work for the Technocamon CG6 but also for all Android phones. Firstly, in order to unlock and bypass the Google factory reset protection, we are going to manually flash the device. As I said earlier, this works for all Android phones. So as you can see, the phone is still locked. So I'll be pressing the volume key, the highest volume key, and the power button. So I'll be placing my hand on it, as you can see, till the Techno logo comes on. I think it should take about 5 to 10 seconds. As you can see, the Techno logo is on. So immediately the Techno logo is on, you remove your hand from the power button. You can see there's a dead Android appearing on your screen. So after seeing this is what's the next step.
Hold on to the power button, then tap the up volume key once. Alright, so as you can see, we are in the Android recovery mode right now. You have been given instructions on how to navigate and do whatever you want to do on the phone. So we are actually using the volume up key and the down key to navigate. So we are going to locate the option wipe data / factory reset option. Okay, so I'm pressing down the volume down to navigate. So you can see this is wipe data / factory reset option. Now for us to accept this option, you tap on the power button once. Right. So read up the warning. Use the volume down once again to navigate to the factory data reset. Okay, right now tap on the power once again. Alright, as you can see here, the phone is resetting. Alright, so immediately you see the data wipe complete, that means the phone has been reset. So all you need to do right now is tap on the reboot system now option. Okay, so already I'm on the reboot system option, so all I need to do is to click on the power button. But please take note, this process has to be done before you can bypass the Google protection. So tap on the power and wait for the Android phone to reboot. So this process may take up to a minute or two. Alright guys, so you can see the phone has booted up. So at this point, I'll be showing you the tricks that you will play in order for you to bypass the Google factory reset protection. Alright, first of all, click on the start. Now, depending on the country you are, you can choose your country. I click on next. Okay, so here comes where you need to be connected to your Wi-Fi. Alright, so the trick here is that you must have to be connected to a Wi-Fi, then the trick comes into play. So first of all, let me connect to this Wi-Fi. Once the Wi-Fi is connected successfully, it takes you to terms of use. So once you come to terms of use, all you need to do is to click on back option. Alright, so already we are connected to the Wi-Fi. So all you need to do right now is to click on add network, which is this option here. So click on it. Here comes the trick. Now tap on this recording icon at the right corner of the button. You can see that recording icon here. Tap on it. Then click on deny. Tap on it once again, click on deny. You might do this same 2 or 3 times before a particular option that I'm waiting for will pop up. Now tap on it once again. Now you can see this option, go board need microphone. Now once you see this option, click allow. So this takes you to Gboard option, okay? Now the trick here now is go to where you have permissions, which is this one here, and click on it. Now we are going to enter the settings of the phone. So all you need to do right now is to click on the search icon at the top right corner. This one right here. Click on it and type in the word setting. Alright? Now I type on setting. Search. Then once you type on setting, all you need to do is to scroll down. Right? Just scroll down to the very bottom. Now you see the setting of app info. Tap on this setting here. Then tap on open. This option here that says open. As you can see, we have entered the settings of this very phone. As you can see, we are in the settings of this very phone. So the trick here is that you'll be needing an extra Android phone. So there's an app you need to send to this phone. So in order for you to complete the whole Google factory reset protection thing, okay? So I'm going to show you the app, and also I'll be leaving a link where you can get those apps. They are actually on, you can just search for them on Google and you'll see them there. Okay. Alright, these are the two apps. Alright, these are the two apps that we'll be needing for to complete the whole bypassing of the Google factory reset options. Okay, so the first one is GFRP bypass 1.0. You can search this keyword on Google and you still get the same app. Okay, and the second one is the Google Account Manager. Okay, so these are the two apps that we'll be needing. So I'm going to be sending this app from this phone, from this very phone, to this one. Okay, so the process of sending this app is what I'm going to show you right now. So for you to be able to send this app, all you need to do is to click on the search, type in this word X share. So type X share. Alright, you can see the phone, the app has already popped up. So the one that comes with app info, tap on that very particular one. Now, at the very bottom of the app info of that X share, tap open. Okay, I think from this very part, I think everything is straightforward. Click on enter X share. So click on receive because you'll be receiving from another device. Allow while using the app. Alright, so once you successfully send in these two apps into the phone you want to flash, the good thing about Xshare is that Xshare automatically install the app that you send to any phone. So you don't need to install it because already it has been installed. So what you need to do next is to click on FRP bypass. Click on open. Okay. Well, make sure that your phone is connected to a Wi-Fi or you have a data SIM in your phone. So click open. Okay, this comes up. So what we are going to do from here is there's a 3 dots at the top right corner here. You just have to tap on it. Once you tap on it, browser sign in comes up, which is this. So click on it once again and click OK. So the essence of all we are doing is that we want to sign in a new Gmail into this phone, thereby erasing the previous Gmail that was preventing us from unlocking the said phone. Okay, so from here, all you need to do is to sign in with a working Gmail that you have access to. As you can see, I've put in my Gmail, so I have to put in your password as well.
So once you input in your password, click next. Alright, so as you can see, we have been referred back to the eggshell. Once you input a correct email and password, and the phone was able to sign you in, you will be redirected to this same page. So from here, all you need to do is to go back, or you can click exit. And once you click on exit, go back. Once you go back to where you have this, where we started earlier, the search space right here, type in those two apps that we install. The first one is GFRP. So tap on it to open it. Then uninstall the app with the help of this icon right here. Click OK. Then once that is done, search for the second app. So uninstall the second app, which is Google Account Manager. Click on it. Click on uninstall. Click OK. So once this is done, all you need to do is to go back and restart the phone. Okay, so go back. You can just restart the phone without going back. For you to be able to restart the phone without going back, you just have to press and hold on to power button for some seconds. The phone will just reboot on its own. You can see restart. So right now, I'm starting the phone. The phone has restarted. So let's continue the whole process. Click on start. Click next. Already I'm still connected to the Wi-Fi. So accept the privacy policy. Click next. Alright. So here I'll choose the option of don't copy, which is this one. Alright, you can see from here account added, which is the same Gmail that I just added recently. So this tells us that we have actually bypassed the Google factory reset protection, which comes through the Gmail that you have on this phone previously. So all you need to do is to click next. Alright, as you can see, you accept. Please also take note that during the whole process, this phone was connected to a working Wi-Fi, okay? So here, click on yes, I'm in, or you can decide to choose do it later option. So let me go with do it later option. Okay, right now I'm going to choose no thanks because I want to be snappy with the whole process. And skip anyways. Please you can decide to choose any options because already you have bypassed the Google factory reset protection. So you can choose the options of setting up the phones. So because of the tutorial, I'll just be skipping every other thing. Skip anyway. Start. Alright. Alright, you can see right now that the phone has booted to the home page, and you can see that everything is new. Everything is new. So this is the technique or the way which by you can use to actually format an Android phone and as well as bypass Google factory reset protection. Okay, so thank you for watching, and do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel in order for you to get updates on any other video that will be posted. And also please smash on the like button because that helps me a lot. So thanks guys.